Have you ever imagined something powerful enough to scare crocodiles being slowly defeated by creatures no bigger than a fingernail? This enormous hippopotamus spends most of its life in muddy rivers across Africa. Its thick skin protects it from predators. Its massive jaws can crush almost anything. But there is one enemy it cannot bite. Ticks. These disturbing arachnids completely cover the hide, feeding relentlessly on the buffalo. Thousands of them. They hide inside the folds of its thick skin. They gather around the ears, the neck, shoulders, its back, its legs, every single day, they feed on its blood. One tick is almost harmless. A 100 become painful. But thousands? They slowly drain the animal's strength. Every bite causes irritation. Every wound attracts even more parasites. The constant itching becomes impossible to ignore. It rolls through thick mud. It scrapes against fallen trees. But nothing removes the infestation. Then, something unexpected appears. Something unexpected appears. A tiny bird has found an endless meal. One quick peck. Another parasite disappears. Soon, more birds arrive. Every parasite removed means less blood lost. Nature rarely works alone. Sometimes the strongest animals survive because of the smallest partners.